And then, some people with that tongue, isang word lang, talagang basag siya agad eh. So, I just want to tell you guys na pangalagaan niyo yung puso niyo, pangalagaan niyo yung sarili niyo, as much as we, take care of ourselves also. And, 7 years is not easy. Kahit nga sa relationship natin, di ba, pag mayroon tayong mga relasyon dyan, mga asawa natin, 7 years na journey is not easy. It's really not easy. 7 years is a really, really long, mahabang oras, mahabang pasensya, and mahabang pag-uunawa. So, ayun lang naman po ang aking masinsinang advice ko. So, let's take care of our mental health, our, puso natin, let's take care of our hearts.
Sabi ko naman na move with purpose. You know what? We don't always go here. We just wish that you got the message that we're trying to say here on stage. Earlier we were telling you to cherish your moments, never quit, inspire each other. Those are trite statements. Gas-gas na. Pero sometimes, sa gulo ng mundo, parang kailangan mo ng reminder from your friend, from each other, para ma-inspire kayo, ma-motivate kayo to do the things you love. So, yun, sana nakuha niyo yung message namin dito sa concert namin. And hopefully, we get to come back and perform on a bigger stage. So, thank you guys, thank you good friends. So, yun nga, katulad namin sinasabi, lagi namin sinasabi, be an inspiration to each other. Maraming salamat.